At Cross, we don't dream of success, we work for it. We are Cross Limited, a leading manufacturer and supplier of trailer axles, suspension assemblies and a wide range of critical parts for medium and heavy commercial vehicles and farm equipment segments. Since 1994, under the leadership of Mr. Sudhir Rai, we have grown at a steadfast pace. Mr. Sumit Rai and Mr. Kunal Rai have been integral for over a decade and aim to advance the company in the coming years. Being a family-owned company since establishment, we have inculcated a sense of belonging in our culture, our relations with our team and our clients, as well as in our operations. This has proven to be a catalyst for our robust growth. Spanning 5 cutting-edge manufacturing facilities across 10 acres in Jamshedpur, our capabilities encompass design, development and production of a diverse portfolio. Equipped with forging presses and upsetters, a foundry, heat treatment, machining equipment for processes such as hobbing, broaching, grinding, spline rolling, induction hardening, robotic welding and coating, we ensure top-notch quality and innovation. Since our very beginning, focus on continual value addition has been our strongest strategic pillar. Our evolution from being a component manufacturer to a systems manufacturer in 2019 marked a significant stride. Currently ranked second in India's trailer axle and suspension supply market, 45% of our revenue stems from these segments. We also specialize in manufacturing of critical components for the M and HCV segment, which include axle shafts, companion flanges, anti-roll bars and stabilizer bar assembly, universal joint crosses, suspension linkages, differential bevel gears and spiders, planet carriers, input-output shafts, among others, and a wide array of tractor components. Backward integration has been our biggest competitive advantage, allowing us greater control over our processes, timelines, and quality. In 2022, we established a new casting facility, a high-pressure mold line foundry, along with a machine shop to manufacture brake drums and hubs, which made us one of the only companies with the competence to manufacture axle and suspension in-house. Our forward integration includes a wide network of sales and service centers across key states in India, ensuring prompt service to our customers. The zest towards expansion has been a key driver at Cross. While we have predominantly been serving the domestic market, we aim to leverage our capabilities to expand our geographic footprint. We commenced exports to LIACS in 2023 and have developed prototypes for a Japanese OEM. We are also expanding the capacity of our facilities and are setting up a seamless tube plant. We continuously explore new opportunities, especially in the realm of trailer axle manufacturing. Currently, axle beams are being manufactured by the fabrication route. The company plans to invest in the technology of extrusion. This innovation will enhance the quality of our products and enable us to enter new product categories with OEMs. We have witnessed an immense rise in our revenue and project exponential growth in the years to come. We have also maintained a steady rise in our profit margins by optimizing our operations and scaling profitable segments. Our financial performance reflects our company's exceptional performance over the years. We also attribute our growth to the knowledge and experience of our team, who provide us with a competitive advantage as we seek to expand our existing markets and enter new geographic markets. For over 3 decades, our commitment to excellence has forged enduring bonds with our customers. With an unparalleled product range and strong infrastructure, Cross Limited has been and will continue to be the customer's first choice.